food security and nutritional security, they should be treated separately. Many times it is assumed that food security will ensure nutritional security. This cannot happen, because strictly speaking, food security means adequate food for everybody. But the quality of food, that issue is not covered under food security. So I am of the strong opinion that food security should be treated separately and nutritional security should be treated separately. Now I have explained what is food security, enough food for everybody, and lot of efforts are being done at national, international level, basically to take care of biotic and abiotic stress, because these are the important factors leading to inadequate food security. But food nutritional security is something different, where there is an issue of malnutrition. Now malnutrition is a big problem in our country. The statistical data is also available. So considering the gravity of the malnutrition, considering the impact of malnutrition during pregnancy, after delivery, so we need to address this issue independently. We have to define the exact micronutrients which lead to malnutrition. What is malnutrition? We need to define properly. There are several definitions are available, but we need to define, because there are several micronutrients that are responsible leading to malnutrition. So we need to define them. That is number one, and that job can be done by all the scientists, research community. IRSHA is also doing some job in that direction. Like we have identified a few micronutrients, but that's not all. We need to identify more critical micronutrients that are required for the development of the fetus and also development of neonatals after birth. So that is number one. Then, having identified the role of micronutrients in malnutrition, then we need to define, or we need to develop a national policy for giving intervention. Let us say omega-3 fatty acid we need to give omega-3 fatty acid. Let us say there is no national guideline or international guideline how much we should give, because again any mistake in that, it can have serious consequences, negative consequences, and so on.